This is Brian back with the SingularityNET AGIX token update. I wanted to get a quick update out to you guys. It's Good Friday, and we're going to be heading to church here pretty soon. So right now we are down 2.48% as I make this video, and I'm going to dive in here a little bit deeper and see if we can point out what's going on here. Okay, I think this looks like a little bit of a corrective move, which it looks like it's about complete, and I expect us to be heading up here soon. These RSIs are about reset, but we'll get back to here in a second. I just want to go over the market real quick, and this is the top articles for Singularity out there. You can see promising cryptos to invest in. Does the reward outweigh the risk? You know, they got price predictions here, but the chat GPT price recovers. You can see this thing is in the news a ton, which is fantastic. You want to, like I said, you want to see that with your cryptos so they don't go stale out there, which SingularityNet, the artificial intelligence, is obviously going to be huge. Here we go. This is the top 100. You can see we got some red out there today. Bitcoin is still fighting that 29,000, and I truly think it's going to break it. It's just a matter of when. You know, this could happen at any time, and this market could just start tearing. It's just been bashing its head off that 29,000. The market cap is down 0.75% at $1.226 trillion. Volume is up 6.09% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is rising just a little bit, 0.16%. We're still up one click from yesterday. We're into greed here on the crypto fear and greed indicator, and we read a 63 yesterday. Here's your top, I believe this is the top 100, top 50 or top 100 coins. It's from CoinMarketCap. Your biggest gainers and biggest losers there. Just go down through them. We're here real quick for you. If you want to freeze the screen and all and take a look, you're more than welcome to. But there we go. There is the bottom. So not any real big gainers or losers out there today. Engine is doing pretty well. Filecoin has had its breakout there from resistance. We've been waiting for that. I cover Filecoin. It feels like some of these, you know, you can talk about price going up, but it's going to do it at its own pace. You know, that's what gets frustrating sometimes. So let's look at this AGIX chart here. This is on the 4-hour. All right, I told you we had this wedge type pattern forming here. Okay, I don't know. It definitely looks like a legit pattern to me. All right, but I got one thing in here that's concerning here to show you. Number one, on the positive side, okay, these RSIs, that 4-hour is about reset. Okay, the daily is down at the bottom. I mean, these things are just looking as good as they can get. The 8 has a little bit of correction left, and the 12, you can see, has just a little bit of correction left. So for the next day or so, we could have a corrective move in here. What I'm looking at is this one right here. Okay, this here. Okay, this hit the 702, got rejected down, and what that looks like to me right there, quite honestly, would be a ABC correction. All right, A, B. Let me give you a target for this C leg, and we will see if we end up hitting that. Alright, that went to the 702 right there, so that would be the length of the A wave. Yeah, it would take us down. We're going to put a box here, right in this area, okay? And that is very realistic. That could end up coming to fruition. And then I believe all these RSIs are going to be reset to the point where, you know, we have to have a move up. You know, you don't go down forever. That isn't the way this thing works, you know. And it looks like this was a big ABC in here, all right, which we would have had 5 smaller waves in here, 3 in here, and then 5 in here. These go 5, 3, 5, and then we have this ABC correction here, which would also, and that's on the 12-hour. Let me put this on a smaller time frame. There's a 4-hour, okay, which the same applies for these moves too. You know, if we broke this down to the hourly or half hour, there would be 5 waves in here, 3 coming up, and then 5 coming down. Okay, that's how them work. 5, 3, 5 over A, B, C. So I'm going to keep an eye on these price levels. I think breaking down out of this wedge, I don't know how significant, it's a sideways action really is what this is. You can put these on the resistance line and support lines. Yeah, it did form a wedge pattern, but I believe the target is right down here at the keep an eye on that 0.3765 to the 0.366 area. Then that will finish up that ABC. And then, in my opinion, not financial advice, I believe we're making our move up from there. So we got to get up to that 48 to 51 level that I've had on here for, geez, it feels like 5 years now. So everybody have a fantastic day. Thank you so much. If I don't talk to you before Easter, I hope you have a fantastic holiday. God bless you all. Please hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching my video, guys.